What's up? The Mini app keeps you posted about your Mini's status. Once you've signed in, the Vehicle tab shows the general info. All good means everything's fine. Timing. You also see when your Mini sent the last status update. To update the vehicle status, just pull down the page to refresh. If, for example, your car is unlocked or tire pressure is low, the Mini app will tell you. The vehicle will also send you an update whenever you open or close your Mini. Want to know more? Click on your Mini status for doors and windows, check control messages or services. Under doors and windows, you see whether they are locked, unlocked, closed or opened. Under check control messages, you can see if your Mini is fine in general. With the service menu, you'll never miss out on due dates for services like vehicle inspection. No worries, this is also available if your vehicle status is all good. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.